let's get started. So let me first share my screen.
Where are you, bro? Where are you?
Okay. We supposed to start. Okay, what about you guys? Did you practice on that virtual machine?
Yes, sir.
You are able to connect. You are able to connect, no?
Yes.
Right? Others? Fine. So let me start with the next. Let's see what topic is. Sonar cloud, right? Good. So basically, if you try to understand just okay, so let's try to understand here, guys. Okay, the next topic that we're gonna start with is, hey Prashant, good evening. The next topic that we have to understand here is sonar cloud. So sonar cloud, sonar cube, both are same thing. Sonar cloud, sonar cube. It's, I cannot say the same thing, but yes, it's the similar. Okay. So what is sonar cloud? Why we are using sonar cloud? What is the use of sonar cloud? Right? These are all we'll try to understand here. But the one, now let's try to understand here. Okay, tell me one thing. Let's see. Developer gives you some code. Okay? That has not been tested. You have to test the code. No, you have to deploy the code. Right. But do you know the coding? You don't know the coding. You cannot test the code also, whether this is correct or incorrect. Right? Whether this is correct or incorrect, you cannot test the code at all. Right? Because you don't have knowledge on the coding at all. So, Sonar Cloud is a tool. Okay? Sonar Cloud or Sonar Q is a tool which is used to do the evaluation of the code. Okay? This is an evaluation code. It is used to do the evaluation of the code. Right? Good. What code? Whatever we are getting from the developer. Clear? What code? Whatever we are getting it from the developer. Clear, buddy? Right? Sonar Cloud is a tool which is used to go ahead and check out that what particular code has been given by developer and whether are we able to go ahead and move ahead for the deployment or not, right? So this is a tool to do the evaluation of the code, to check the code whether code is correct to deploy or not. Clear? Since we are not a developer, we don't have any knowledge at all for your codes. Okay, so that's why we are moving ahead and we are doing this, right? Sonar cloud. Now let's understand. We have some theory things that we have to understand for the sonar cloud. then we can move on with the practicals. Okay? Right? So very first is, it is called as a code analyzing tool. What is that? Code analyzing tool. Okay, it is called as a code analyzing tool. Code analyzing tool. Okay, it's called as a code analyzing tool. Clear? Now, what is code analyzing tool? It analyzes the code behavior. Okay, it analyzes whether this is right or wrong. Just rough idea. Clear now? Good. Now we guys have to understand few of the terminologies used in the SONAR cloud. The very first terminology that we are having is called as a SONAR cloud. Another one is called as a bug. Another one is called as a vulnerability. What is that? Vulnerability. Next one is called as a code fixes. Next one is called as a code smell. Next one is called as a hotspot. So these are topics, or these are all points, these are all definition you might be asked in the interview also. Okay? Right? Understand here. We are doing SONAR cloud. It's almost same as a SONAR cube. Right? The parent company is same. Okay? SONAR cube. So let's understand SONAR cloud. What is SONAR cloud? Okay? So let's try to understand the definition. First is, SONAR cloud is a cloud-based code analyzing tool designed to detect code quality in different languages. It may be .NET, Python, C#, Perl, PHP, anything. Okay? It would ensure that code would be maintained, should be reliable, and security of the code should be maintained. Okay? So what is SONAR cloud? It is a cloud-based code analyzing tool designed to detect the code quality in different languages. Got the point? Different language means programming language. It can be Java, .NET, Python, Perl, React.js, anything. It ensures the code would be maintained, okay, and it would be reliable, and it does the security of your code. Right here? Is the definition of SONAR cloud is pretty clear enough? Yes. No? Yes, no? Right here? Fine. So if you understand that SONAR cloud, let me go ahead with the bug. What is bug? You know this better, right? We are already understanding as not was part only. What do you mean by bug? See, my dear friend, bugs is nothing. If something is not working as per the user expectation, as per the client expectation, that is called as a bug. Simple example. If something is not working as per the client expectation, that is something called as a bug. Clear enough? Right? Anyone have a doubt, buddy? No, right? Very good. If something is not working as per the user expectation, that is called as a bug. Clear now? Good. The next thing that you have to understand, is vulnerability. So, vulnerability. Okay, one more thing. Bug is also called as a issue, defect, error. Okay, that is called as a bug. Now let's see that vulnerability. So what does mean by vulnerability? The piece of code where an intruder can attack. Okay, understand guys, nothing is there in the vulnerability, it's easy. Huh? Tell me? Okay, let's see that you and your friend are very good friends. Okay, let's see A and B are very good friends. Clear? A and B are very good friends. If in case there might be some drawback between A and B, maybe some car issue, maybe bike issue, maybe money issue, okay, maybe anything, okay, or maybe phone issue, maybe bed issue, maybe it can be table issue, anything can be. But you are a good friend, your best friend, okay. Let's say I am your enemy. Okay? Let's imagine that I am your enemy. So what I'll do? I'll always try to make use of the point which you are having negativity. What is the negative between A and B? Dining table. Or let's see, study table. That is the issue. So when A will come, I'll say, hey, B doesn't want you, right? He is not giving you the reading table, right? When I'll go to A, I'll tell that same thing. B is not good at all yet. He is not giving the table. If you go to B, A is not good at all, right? So like that, we'll just try to make use of some benefit, right? So I'll just try to spoil your lesson, right here. So that is the weakness. You got it? Anyone? There is nothing to laugh. Okay, we all are using it the same thing. Divide and rule. Okay, that people are doing now, right? So same thing people does it, buddy. Okay, that it does. Okay. So vulnerability is also same thing. A piece of code. We have a list of program. Let's say we have 100 lines of code are there in the program. If you have 100 lines of code in the program, okay, if we have 100 lines of code in the program, there might be somewhere the developer might need to close something, some security. So on that particular code, if any intruder attacks, intruder means outsiders, spy or virus, hackers, anything, right? They can attack to that particular piece of code that is called as a vulnerability weak point. Got the point? Okay? So vulnerability is nothing, the piece of code where the intruder can attack, your hacker can attack, right? I'll give you an example, okay? You might have seen a mail, if you go to the office, okay, you guys will be seeing one regular mail over there. They will be sending on a spam mail to you. If you click on that, they'll see that you are not aware of that. Okay, that will be phishing mail actually. Okay? So that is the same thing it's talks about. So always your vulnerability will be coming, some fixing, something loose point, loose coupling of your code, and it will come. Okay? That is called as a vulnerability. That's fine. So next term that we are using is called as a code fixes. What is that code fixes, buddy? Let's read that. The change in the code that leads to fixing of the defect is called code fixes. Clear, no? It's pretty simple, right? Let's say you have some issues in the code. Yes, we have some issues in the application and we are trying to change the code, okay, which makes the application runs. That is called as a code fixes. Clear, no?
Yes, code fixes.
Right here, code fixes simple term. The change in the code that leads to fixing of the defect is called as code fixes. Very good. Let's go to code smell. Okay, code fixes, code smell. It's nothing like you get something smell from the coding. Okay, it's just a different thing. A maintainability issues that makes the code confusing and difficulty to manage. It is not an issue, it is not a technical term. Okay, I'll give an example, okay, just a minute. Let me take one more notepad. Okay, let's see, I wanted to write a program, okay, program to add, to find the sum of two digits, two numbers, right? This is my program. I write in two different ways. You have to give me which one is better. I'll not change the logic. Logic will be same. Code will also be same, but it will be something different in the loop. Have a look. Scenario 1. Okay, the first scenario what comes here is, let's see, public class add number. Okay, public static void main string arguments. Okay. Guys, you don't have to write any code, okay? Just I'm telling you for your sake to understand it. Let's see, int a equal to 10, int b equal to 20, and is equal to A
Yes.
plus B. Clear now? I'm writing system dot out dot println C, or we can write it sum of two numbers are, okay, are C. Clear here? Any doubts in this? Is the program clear, right? Okay, I use a very simple program. int A equal to 10, int B equal to 20, int C equal to A plus B. So if I'm trying to add the two number, it will go as a store as a 10 plus 20, it will come as a 30. Yes or no, dear? Right now? Good. So next is Niranjan, it's not missing. You know the meaning of println? The meaning of ln is I wanted to write this in the next line. I don't have any next line. Okay? If I want to write to anything in the next line for the output, then we will go with the ln. Clear? If you don't want to do write it another next line, you can write ln like that to print only. Okay, it's your choice. Good. Now let's see that body. Scenario 2. Okay? You have to tell me. I'll copy the same code. I told you, right? Technically there will not be any difference. But just see that which one looks too good for you. What are you? Nothing are you, right? Code, logic are same. Both are same only. But which one looks good for you? Second or first? Second obviously, right? Because anyone can understand. We are maintaining the braces, we are maintaining everything. So these all are contained inside the main method. These all are contained inside your class. Clear, no? Right? Nothing different, no? Good. So this is the same thing called as a code smell. Code smell is there is no change in the code. But only thing is how it look like. Structure. Intended. Okay. Is different from each other. That is called as a code smell. You can see here. Okay. Code smell is. What am I close it? Okay, so the thing is, you can see here, what is code smell? A maintainability issue that makes the code confusing and difficulty to manage. It is not an issue or bug. It's not a technical issue. That is called as a code smell. Do anyone have a doubt in this? Please let me know. Anyone have a doubt till this point? SONAR CLOUD, bug, vulnerability, code fixes, code smell. Clear guys? Any doubts you have in the mind, please let me know. Anyone? No? Right. Then I'll go with the hotspot review. Okay? What I'll go? I'll go with the hotspot review. So what do you mean by hotspot review? Let's try to understand that. Okay? Hotspot review, let's try to understand that here. Yes. Buddy, if you try to understand, let's go back to COVID days. COVID days. You might be seeing in the news, Ameerpet, Panjagutta. This all is a hotspot of COVID. Why it is called as a hotspot? Because lots of cases are there. Chances of getting affected is more on that area. What was the days here? West. You guys were in Hyderabad? Where that time? No, where?
I don't know.
I was in Hyderabad. Okay. So you understand that, right? It is a hot where it's a very sensitive place, right? Okay, so let's try to understand. A security hotspot, it's always a security issue. A security hotspot that highlights a security, okay, sensitive piece of codes that developer has to review. Any code that they realize that being a developer they have to review it again and again to avoid the security issue, that type of issue or that type of the code, the piece of the code that is called a hotspot review. Clear here? That is called a hotspot review code. Clear now? Any doubts you have? No. So if we don't have any doubts, then we'll try to integrate our SONAR Cloud with the help of Azure DevOps. But before that, I want you all to spend minimum 2 minutes of time. I want everyone to go through each definition. One second, please. I want you all to go to the each definition, one line by line, please. If you get any doubts, please let me know. Start with SONAR Cloud, bug, vulnerability, code fixes, code is small, hotspot review. That's it. Please try to go one by one. And if anyone have a doubt, please let me know here. Done? Others? Okay, fine. So we'll go ahead now and we'll try to integrate the SONAR Cloud. Okay, tell me one thing. I want the answer from you all. Where I can implement SONAR Cloud? Which area?
For defect,
Which area I can implement SONAR Cloud? Please do let me know. You getting my question? Which area you can implement SONAR Cloud? Which part of area you can implement SONAR Cloud? That area?
in Azure portal.
Portal? Okay. So I want more answers here, not one and two. What about others? Where we can implement SONAR Cloud? Portal.
Portal
Okay.
itself,
If you are saying portal, why portal?
in that there is the JavaScript we are using that.
What are you using? Buddy, you are analyzing the code, right? So where is your code? Repo. Where is repo? Yes, you are applying the DevOps, not in the portal. There is no relation between the DevOps here at all. Clear? Right now, there is no relation at all in the DevOps, portal with the SONAR Cloud. Because we are analyzing the code. Okay? I am analyzing the code. And where is my code? My code is there in my repo. You are right, Prashant. Okay? Okay? So you have to apply SONAR Cloud on top of Azure DevOps, dev.azure.com. Clear enough? Very good. So let's try to follow some steps that we are having it, okay? So let's see. First thing is, you have to download the SONAR Cloud on Cube. Okay? Next thing is, try to configure the organization with personal access token, like dev.azure.com, user setting, then personal access. Come to dev.azure, okay, we'll go one by one, okay? Let's first try to download the SONAR Cloud. So where to go? Portal, right? Portal, no? Okay, we'll go to the portal then. No? Okay, dev dot. Let's go to dev.azure.com. I'm over here now. Okay? Now tell me where I have to apply, where I have to download, which part of, where we wanted to apply, which part? Tell me dear, which part of area I wanted to, how we are updating. This is not the first time? Is it first time? We are doing the first time, so let me tell you. You guys will not be able to tell me, okay? 1 minute. Result. Okay. So I am on to my here, and I think this is right. So let's come over here.
6:30, sir.
Sorry, pardon me. Then 6.
Long down.
6 o'clock now.
6 o'clock.
Just 6 p.m. sir. 6 p.m.
6 p.m. or 33.
6 p.m. Okay, that's right. No problem. 6 p.m. right?
Sir.
So understand, guys. So any tool that you are downloading, okay, understand. SONAR Cloud is not supported by Microsoft.
Okay.
It is not given by Microsoft. It is a third-party tool. So all the third-party tool, when you are wanting to install, you don't have to install on the top of your project. Okay? You have to install on the top of your organization setting. Where? Organization setting. So if you install there in the organization setting, it will be applicable to all the projects inside the organization. I'll show you. Maybe how many projects are there? Multiple are there. Okay? Multiple projects are there, right? So if I apply training Navin 11, on top of training Navin 11, if I apply that SONAR Cloud, it will apply to every project. Clear? Inside that will come for our batch also, 6 p.m. batch also. Okay, no? Right. So where to go? We have to go to organization setting. We have to go organization setting. Let's click on the organization setting. Clear? Let's click on the organization setting. After going to organization setting, you have to scroll down. There is an option called extension. What is that here? There is a term. There is an option called extension. Do you want me to take this screenshot for this or not? Not to leave it. You can do. So what is that? You have to go to organization setting. Then after that you have to go to extensions. Clear? You go to extensions. So let me click on extensions. Right? Okay. So if you come over to the extension, right? So now you have an option here. Since this is not the first time that I am using it, I am already having it before itself. Okay. So what you have to go? You have to go to browse marketplace. Where? Browse marketplace. You have to go buddy. Browse marketplace. Let's click on the browse marketplace. Okay. Let's click on the browse marketplace. Clear now? Now here you have an option extension for Azure DevOps. Whatever you want, that extra tool that you are having, you can get it as everything. Like I'll tell you, Ansible, Terraform. Yes, two things that we will be getting it out.
These are third parties for Microsoft.
Yes, this is third party. We are not getting it from the Microsoft. Okay, so that's why we have to download it. So let's start with the SONAR Cloud only. Type there as a SONAR Cloud. I'm not looking at the queue. Both are similar, but I'll teach you SONAR Cloud. I'm going with the definition with the SONAR Cloud only, no brother? Okay. So it is a call as a SONAR Cloud. Where's two brother?
They went to home itself, hometown.
Hometown. So are they attending online?
Yes.
What is his name?
Sure.
Sheikh is it? They are not online. Maybe, okay. Fine, maybe. Okay, fine. So you understand that? Here you have to type as SONAR Cloud.
Yes.
Enter that. Okay? So once you enter that, we have given lots of suggestion. Maybe only 4, but sometimes we get a more also. So you have to focus a lot which one is a genuine one. So see, this is the SONAR Cloud and it is given by the SONAR source. So source.com. So this is the genuine one. Okay? And yeah.
Blue ticket is there.
This yeah, you can treat that as well also verified. And apart from that, you have to see this number of download also. How many is there? 64,000. But if you go, this is not even 2,000 also. Okay? So then go there, free, click on it, and download it. You have an option get it free. Okay, you do have an option of get it free. Just click on get it free. Okay, let's click on it. So if you are doing first time, it might take time, but I have already installed it. Okay, so that's why for me it's not taking time, but for you guys it may take time to get it installed. Okay, now it is still that where you want it to go. So this extension is already installed on this organization.
Okay.
I'm already there. No, for you guys it not be there. You have to click and install. Okay, right? First step is clear. What to do? You have to go to your DevOps account. Then you have to go to organization training. Then after that you have to go to extension. Then after that you have to go to browse marketplace. Okay, and then click there as a SONAR Cloud. Try to get a genuine product from there. Maybe like the source, or you have to go with the number of more downloadable. So those you have to do it first, right? And then after that you have to click on OK and you could do it. Clear?
What need to be said? What is that?
Let me help Prashant. What is saying that?
You are set. Proceed to organization to the marketplace.
Whatever is highlighted, Prashant, proceed to organization. That is, you have to select it. Okay. Okay, dear. Fine. Now next thing is so installation is over. So how you check it out? You have to again go back to the same thing extension, refresh it, and try to see whether the SONAR Cloud is displaying for you or not.
Yes.
Clear here? First step is clear. Very good. Let me go to the second step. Okay. So second step is try to configure the organization with the personal access token. Okay? Try to configure the organization with the functional access token. Right here? So you have to configure it dev.azure.com, user setting and personal access. So you have to give the token. There is two token. One token is in the DevOps account. Even I am also. Okay. One token is on DevOps account, one token is in your SONAR Cloud account. Okay. So where are you right now? You are into the no. You are in the DevOps account now.
Okay.
What is this man? He is doing it. He can do later, right? What I should do then? What I should do?
He's showing this. It came.
Then what I should do? Yes. Okay. So see, we have to do two things here. First, download it, and you have to do the personal access token two places. First in the DevOps account, in the SONAR Cloud account, two accounts are there. Okay. First, let me deliver the dev account. Okay. Now, parallelly, you have to tell me. Okay. Let's see, there is another account for the SONAR Cloud. You have to type there in that screen as a sonarcloud.io. What do you have to type buddy? sonarcloud.io. So let me write some there now. Yes, it is there now. It is there. Okay. So what do you have to type? sonarcloud.io. This is the website for SONAR Cloud. Okay. So you go to the SONAR Cloud. Okay. Enter it out. Clear? Right? Anyone have doubts? No? Good. So now if you don't have any doubts, so let's see if it works. No, it will look like this here. Bugs, vulnerability, hotspot, code is mail. I was talking about these all things, right? I was talking about these four topics now. Same thing will come. Okay. So try to log in. So let's click on the login.
But we are sign up.
Yes, you see this link guide. Okay, come down. But we have a blocker here. I'll tell you where. We have some blocker here. It's not a free. It's a paid account. Okay. So there is another option called as Azure DevOps. What is that? Azure DevOps. So how you wanted to log in? I wanted to log in with with Azure
DevOps.
DevOps. Let's click here. Now you have to give your DevOps account ID.
Sir, for we are sign up or in this account.
We need to sign up.
So login automatically come because you have already downloaded, no?
Okay.
And we have downloaded into your Azure DevOps account, right? So no need to sign in.
ये dev का account है, portal का account है.
Dev ka? No, this is for dev only. Portal, there is no need of that.
SONAR में portal is not.
Nothing, because we are dealing with the code Ismail, yeah? We are dealing with the code things, right? Portal we doesn't have a code at all.
Yes, sir.
Right now. Okay. So let's try to put it over here, your trading account, I mean your portal account.
June 19.
Okay? So you want to log in. Clear? Right here? Okay? Done. Now another thing is, please understand that. Okay? We want you to get your access over there. Actually, there is an issue here in the SONAR Cloud. I'll tell you a bit later, not now, bit later. Okay? Let me first complete the entire process. What you have to do, try to configure the organization with the personal access token, dev.azure.com. This you have to follow it, right? So let me go to dev.azure.com account first. Go to the users. Can you see these users?
Yes,
Go there. This is the user setting. Go over there. And after that you click on the personal access token. Okay. So you have to go to personal access token. Clear? You have to go to personal access token. Right? You go there or as a personal access token and create a new token. Got the point? What you have to do? You have to create a new token. Let's click on the new token and give something here, your choice. SONAR Cloud token something. Okay. I want to give the full access. Let's try to click on it. Okay. So the token that you are getting it, copy it. This is a one-time activity. Next time you will not do it. You have to delete and you have to create it once again. Like how you are doing now.
Yeah.
How we are doing before, right? Same thing,
Yes, sir.
right? Now let's go back to your project. Okay. Got the point? Let's go back to your project and try to 1 minute. No, I'm making a mistake here. Let's see. Try to cover the personalization to dev.azure setting a personalization. We got that right. Now come to dev.azure.com service connection and SONAR Cloud, and okay, we have to install the service connection on this the user setting. Now my account security is generated to copy token and service connection validated. SONAR Cloud close and there is no. I think there is a mistake we did. Okay. Let's come back here. So we generated the token, right?
Yes, sir.
So this token is your dev. No. This token is your. Sorry, we okay. Yes, you have to go there. You go to somewhere, it will be there as a setting will be there. Okay, 1 minute. Just hold on here. My account. Okay, and there someone would be that security. Yes. Okay, security.
जो copy करो paste पड़ेगा.
No, yeah, we are doing some mistake. Hold on. No. 2
You must
minutes.
transfer administration permission.
2 minutes. 2 minutes. Okay, hold on. We got this access. We'll update. This is your user DevOps. We'll go to the portal, and yes, my projects. Right. Then after that, actually configure. I need to add a project. New, yes. Analyze new project. Okay. Let it come here. Yes. 1 minute. Import another organization. Yes, you have to do this. Okay. So you have to give the organization organization name, since I have already given, okay, that's why my name is coming here, right? Analyze new project, okay, and after that you have to give the token that you are using there. Where?
Copy that.
dev.azure.com. You have to click on the continue. Clear here?
Yes.
So it says that already there because I am already having it. For you guys it will not be coming up. Okay? Clear here? What you have to do? I will write one by I'll clear this step, I'll write it here first. There is some confusion system. Sorry. I'll do it, don't worry. Let me write the first clear step first. Okay, see. Download it, right? After that, I tried to configure that organization the person has login. I went to the dev.azure.com, user setting and personal access token, right? Then after that, what you have to do? Go to the third step. Okay? Come to the where?
SONAR Cloud.
SONARCloud.io.
Create new one.
Yes. Then after you are coming to here, you have to go to plus symbol. Here plus symbol is there. Right side plus symbol. Okay.
Create a new one.
So right side click on. Okay. Plus symbol. Okay. Symbol. Right for what? You have to choose it from there as a analyze
New project.
new project, or you can go even with the you select that. Okay, and import the organization, you can say. Okay, so analyze the new project, and then import the import the organization. Okay, clear enough? Then you have to come there and write your organization name. Okay, enter the organization name. Yes or no?
Yes.
Then enter the
Copy.
access token. Okay, access token bracket. You got it. Okay, which you got from step 2. Yes or no? Right now? Good? Fine. Then after that you click on continue. What do you have to do? Click on continue. Clear? Then you click on the continue. That's it. Then after that, let's come back to the 6th step. I'll come to know. Actually, frankly speaking, I'll come to know. So you just did it out. For me, it's already done. That's why this is already a count is done. Let's see, I'm trying to enter here. Can you observe this is already there? The organization is already bound with. Okay, so leave that. I'll not do it. Okay. Till this point is clear. So you are taking the token from your DevOps account and entering to the Cloud.io. Now you have to take the token from Cloud.io and you have to use into your DevOps. Two-way. Right now?
Yes.
Two-way, right? So let's go and try to get the token. Right? Good. So I'll go back to how to take a token. I'll go back to the my account. Okay. My account security. I'll tell you. So let me write a step. Okay. What step you have to write? Now visit to my account for SONAR Cloud. Okay. That is basically in right hand side. Right side. Okay now? Right? Then after that, my account, what I click? My account, so you have to go to security. You have to go, click on security, or just write security. Security, okay? Then after that, you have to click on the token name, just enter some token name. So enter some token name and then click on generate token. Clear? Okay? So I'm generating the token. Whatever the token, same token we got it. Now we have to use this token to where? dev.azure.com. You are right. Clear? You have to use it to dev.azure.com. So copy that. I have copied it. Clear? So let me go to dev.azure.com. Where to enter? You have to create a service connection for your project. So let's go to your project. This is my project. Where is my project? 16, right? So let me go to this project. I'll go back to service connection. Let's click over there and try to scroll it down. There is an option called as a service connection. Let's click on the service connection.
There's a portal or there to current service.
Right. But here, okay, I'll tell you. You have to give me the answer. Let me complete it. You have to give me the answer. Okay? Let's click on new service connection. So why we are creating the service connection? Last time why we created?
We need to deploy the website.
वो कोड कैसे करें?
We are connecting to get a connect between your DevOps account and portal account. But why we are connecting now? To connect your DevOps account.
SONAR Cloud.
Clear? Clear? Very good. So you type there as a SONAR Cloud. If you would have installed SONAR Cloud in the setting, it will come. Okay? If you would have installed SONAR Cloud, it would have come. Otherwise, it will not come. Okay? If you would already installed, how to install?
First step.
First. If you install, this will come. Otherwise, it will not come. Clear? So SONAR key is not coming because I haven't. Yes. Clear? Good. So let's go over there. SONAR Cloud. Now SONAR Cloud token.
Copy. Paste.
Good. So let me take the steps as well, right? So that you will not forget. Here we are. Here now.
Yes, sir.
Seventh step is come to knowledge. Copy this.
Copy the token.
Okay.
Yes.
Now let's come to dev.azure.com. I think I already did it here.
Connection, SONAR Cloud, SONAR Cloud token, SONAR Cloud yes.
Okay.
Yep.
Come to dev.azure.com.
Service connection.
Okay. Go to service connection. Go to SONAR Cloud. Click on the SONAR Cloud token.
Copy.
Give the SONAR Cloud IO. No. Give the SONAR Cloud token. So SONAR Cloud.
Copy.
Paste.
Paste करो.
Paste the token over there.
Yes.
Okay. Now after that, let me paste it. Let's verify it. Verify. Give the service connection name like SONAR Cloud connection. Okay.
Yes.
Same thing it is giving the right. Copy the token, paste it to the SONAR Cloud. Okay. Cloud, paste it to that, and my account is here. Or this is doing the next step. So security. I'm doing again here. Okay. So paste that service connection. Copy the token. Copy the token. After that, what to do?
And
So after that, generate that service connection, right? Generate the service connection. Tell me.
sir, verify it.
Connection. That's all, no? I ready to know well done. Okay. It will come. Right? So just check box the grant access, verify it. Now you have established the relation. Next thing you have to analyze the report. We have a drawback here. You understand? What is the drawback? The drawback of SONAR Cloud is it is a paid one. Paid. You have to pay. And how much you have to pay? You can see as well here. You go back here, try to go to your project, okay, and try to click on this, try to analyze the new project. So your new project, let's see, something is there. Let's create a new project here. Okay, so let's see. Okay, in this page only you can see that. What is that? Upgrade to get private project. So usually this SONAR Cloud will only applicable to public project, not the private one. And whatever we are creating, that is a
Private.
private project. Okay? Right, got it. I'll come on over. So it says that if you wanted to apply that private project, please pay 10 euro per month. It's a paid, yes, 10 euro. This is 10 euro. Okay, 10 euro per month you have to pay it. Okay, now understand. We have a 14 days free trial also, but you have to first make the payment, then 40 days free. Okay, payment will get divided, taken it before only, then after that later it will go. Clear? This is one option. Another option is you make your project as a public, then also it is a free. But for your sake and knowledge, we cannot create the public project. You can create it, it's not a problem. You can create it. I'll tell you how you can create also. That's not a big deal. Let's go. Yes, I'll tell you how to create. Go to setting. Go to organization setting. Okay, how to create a public project, I'll tell you. Go to organization setting. And there, project is there, right? Okay, so setting, right? 1 minute. There you will get an option. Somewhere in that we have an option. Yes, buddy. Let me go to policies, and there you will allow you to create a public project. You can create it. No one will stop you. Okay, if you enable this, right? But there is a problem in that. What is the problem is, simply creating a project will not work out. You have to raise a what?
Parallelism.
You have to raise a parallelism. Take the permission from
Parallelism. That Microsoft.
Microsoft. Very good. I'll come to that one by one. Okay? Let me see. If you go to the parallelism, there is a parallelism link. Okay? Now let's see, I'm doing something. I'm doing something. Oh, come on now. I'm doing something at the Gmail. Okay? Clear here? Come down. I'm doing something here. If I make it a public, many questions will be coming here. Can you see? Provide the list of link that you're looking for that. Why you are looking for that? So they'll think that you are supposed to do any business for the public. Okay? You raise it, you create it, they'll reject it. They're giving only for private projects. So that's why we are stuck there, okay? You cannot go with the public. Even if going, I already created a public account here for my training purpose only. Public, you can see this. This is a public project, right? But I cannot do it. It says that billing, go and do the billing. Okay? Because I haven't get approval from Microsoft. Yes, it says that go and purchase it. Clear here, anyone have issues, please let me know. Right? Now, you might have excitement to see how it will work. You might have excitement to know how it will work. Okay, let's say we have a private one. And we have a paid account. Nothing is there. You just have to click on configure analysis. Just click it. You'll get a screen like this. I'll show you. SONAR Cloud analyzing code. Screen. You get like this. It will come like this. Can you see here? Vulnerability, code smell, coverage, these all like thing it will come. Okay? There is a bug. Now you have to take the screenshot of this, send it to developer, they'll fix it. If you have a bug, they'll fix it.
So
Clear?
there is a 15 and there is 12. What is that?
This is the number of the count that you are having it. Okay? 15 is there, vulnerability is a 0, code smell they're filling that 12 places, and the code smell that depth. Okay, it is, they have raised it for 2 hours. Okay? So these are all the things that you are getting it, but nothing to bother. When you get in the organization, just click it, you will get it on this page. After getting the page, shoot out a mail to the developer, hey, this is your letter, please read it and let me know. Okay? Any doubts so far? Guys, I want you to reach this point, everyone, please. Online folks, Prashant and others.
So as it's a paid one, like do we need to create this SONAR CLOUD thing?
Sir,
1 minute, later finish.
See, it's a paid one, right? So do we need to install this SONAR cloud?
Everything. It's not a paid one is after this. You make the payment, analyze it.
Okay, this is all just to understand that. However, we are not going to open and check
No,
out.
no. If you wanted to pay, then make the payment of 10 euro and let's use that. Simple. But till this point you have to do it mandatory. Because if you not do real time, what you will do? Real time, if you go to any office, they tell you to do it, you'll get blank, right? What to do? Right now?
Till the
Okay.
service connection will.
Yes, everything you have to do it. Till this point, analyze everything you have to do it. Okay, where you stuck, Prashant? What is that? Let me help you. Nothing is there. Okay, Prashant, you are stuck out. Obviously, you pay the 10 euro and you can make use of it.
10 euro means how much, sir?
700.
Sir, per month, that 10 euro.
Per
Per-
month, ah.
Per month, yes. Okay.
So when we give that details to pay, once in repo there is 2 rupees is cut, like that it will happen like same.
Yes. No, it's not a free. To charge all 710 to complete. It's not a free delivery. Okay. They will pay it first, then will give you free for 14 days of time. If you don't like, they'll cancel it.
So like the 10 euros only for 14 days?
Monthly.
Per month. In
Month.
in
Plus 14 days free, right?
Yes.
Once you pay one
Super bonus 14 days of time.
700 is going, that's for sure.
Okay, fine guys, I want you all to do it. It's not skip it, okay? It's mandatory for you to do it out. Because if you go to any organization, if you are supposed to do that, you cannot say that, no, I don't know. You have to complete it. Only thing, they're already paid one, right? You can able to move ahead. Clear? Fine buddy, so let me share these notes to you real quick so that you can do it at home today. Okay?
so give me that same number.
Sorry?
Sir,
Same?
number changed.
What number?
That in notepad. Steps.
Steps are giving same one.
No, I deleted that previous one. Oh, where is that? One minute. Eight, right? Okay, clear now? So let me copy this and give to you.
That's all the same problem.
Yes, it's for everybody. It's not you with you, Sunil, it's for everyone. You guys have to do it out. So,
Pay money and give details. Your card.
yes, it's liquid. Length. Okay? Fine guys, anyone have a doubt, please let me know. No? Fine, then we have done this very small topic. Nothing is there, but yes. All those three, I told you know. Vulnerability, code is made, hotspot review, bug, mandatory to understand. Okay? You will be asked in the interview. The question will be asked, what is vulnerability? What is code is made? You should be in a position to answer that. Clear enough? Anyone have a doubt, please let me know. No? Fine, if you don't have, then we'll wind up the call. Then tomorrow onward, the big topic is starting. Talk about theory, practical both. Many, multiple practical. 3 scenarios we have to do. It will take 3 days of time to complete. It takes 3 days of time to complete. Okay? So get ready tomorrow. It's a big topic coming on the way. Okay? We don't have live on the SONAR cloud. We don't have live. What we did, Prashant, is a live only, right? What we did is a live only, no? What is that? Sorry? Till where you are able to do that is a live only. If it is a paid, you just click and analyze it. We need to create this account. Not required, Prashant. Why you are spending the 10 euro? It's not needed. Okay, you understood everything, no? When you, understand. If in case in the office you are getting it, just analyze the code, that's it. Okay, Prashant? Don't pay it.
Leave bidding.
Don't worry. Done. Fine, thank you so much for joining us. Take care, have a nice rest of the day. Tomorrow the big topic is starting. Please don't miss any class from tomorrow. It's mandatory. Okay? Docker is big topic. It will take 3 days to complete and it's difficult to understand also. So please join the call. Take care, guys.